Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we're in Clacton-on-Sea, a town with a reputation that's often misunderstood. When you think of a British seaside, you picture arcades, fish and chips, and that classic holiday buzz. But is there more to Clacton than meets the eye? We'll explore the must-visit spots and uncover the real spirit of this Essex town. Let's see if Clacton really is Britain's best-kept secret. You can't visit Clacton without starting at the pier, the heart of the town since 1871. It's a sensory overload, arcade sounds, laughter, and the sea beneath your feet. From classic rides to adventure golf and a seaquarium, there's something for everyone. In a complicated world, Clacton Pier is pure, honest seaside fun. Just a stroll from the pier is the charming Westcliff Theatre, an Edwardian gem from 1894. Inside, it's all red velvet and gold, intimate, historic, and run by passionate volunteers. It's a hub for live shows, from comedians to classic variety acts, keeping seaside traditions alive. In a digital age, this theatre proves people still crave real, shared experiences. The beach is why people first came to Clacton, and it's still a draw. Golden sand, gentle waves, and a family-friendly vibe make it perfect for a classic day out. Blue flag status means it's clean and safe, with lifeguards on duty. Here, simple pleasures, sandcastles, picnics, and sea air create lasting memories. Sometimes the best days are the simplest. Along the coast stands Martello Tower F, a relic from the Napoleonic era. Built for defence, it's now a striking landmark, with panoramic views of the Essex coast. Its thick walls and history remind us of a time when this was a front line, not a holiday spot. Preserved for the public, it connects Clacton's present to its dramatic past. It's a quiet spot to reflect on how much the coastline has changed. Next to the pier is the Pavilion, a one-stop entertainment hub. Bowling, arcades, soft play, and food options make it a lifesaver for families, rain or shine. It's a place where generations mix, united by simple, unpretentious fun. The Pavilion adapts to what families want today, keeping the seaside spirit alive. It's a modern essential for a classic holiday town. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also, check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. Away from the seafront, Clacton Shopping Village offers a different vibe. It's an outlet centre with chalet-style shops, big brands, independents, and plenty of cafes. Shoppers come for bargains and a relaxed, holiday-like atmosphere. It's not just for tourists. Locals rely on it year-round for jobs and deals. The village adds a practical, modern twist to Clacton's identity. It's another reason people keep coming back. Down the coast, Jaywick Martello Tower has been transformed into a vibrant arts venue. Inside, whitewashed walls showcase local and national art, blending history with creativity. Free to enter, it hosts exhibitions, workshops, and community events. The rooftop offers stunning views of Jaywick Sands and the open sea. It's a powerful example of repurposing history for the future. Jaywick's tower is a true cultural gem. For peace and nature, Holland Haven Country Park is a breath of fresh air. This local nature reserve is a haven for wildlife and migrating birds. Well-marked trails wind through grasslands and marshes, just minutes from the resort. It's a reminder that Clacton offers more than just beaches. There's wild beauty too. For locals and visitors, it's a vital green escape. At the end of the pier, the Seaquarium is a classic seaside treat. It's small but packed with fascinating marine life, lobsters, crabs, and exotic fish. Conservation displays teach kids about protecting our oceans. The open-top ray tank is a highlight. Kids are mesmerized. It's a place that sparks curiosity and wonder. The Seaquarium proves small attractions can make a big impact. For a wilder experience, Osyth Beach is just down the coast. It's rugged, quiet, and backed by dunes, a world away from the main promenade. Locals come here for solitude, fishing and long walks. No arcades, just the sound of the sea and wind. It's a raw, honest slice of Essex coastline. Sometimes, the best beaches are the least developed. Clacton Golf Club, founded in 1892, is one of Essex's oldest. This classic links course welcomes visitors and adds another dimension to the town. It's not just about golf, it's a social hub for the community. The club's history and tradition attract a different kind of holidaymaker. It's proof Clacton caters to all interests, not just the seaside crowd. Clacton boasts not one, but two major theatres. The Prince's Theatre is the grander of the pair. Housed in the town hall, it hosts everything from touring musicals to local productions. Its diverse programme means there's always something for everyone. Having two thriving theatres shows Clacton's strong appetite for live entertainment. It's a year-round cultural anchor for the town. The Greensward is a ribbon of calm along the seafront. Beautiful gardens full of colour. It's a favourite spot for picnics, quiet moments and watching the world go by. The gardens show real pride in Clacton's appearance. They balance the excitement of the seafront with peaceful green space. Sometimes it's the little things, like a well-tended garden, that make a town special. The Greensward elevates the whole Clacton experience. For families, Hasty's Adventure Farm is a must-visit. It's a working farm with a giant adventure playground, animal barn, and tractor rides. Kids can run wild, get muddy, and learn about animals and farming. It's wholesome, hands-on fun, no screens, just fresh air and imagination. Friendly staff make it a welcoming spot for all. It's a brilliant alternative to the beach for young families. So, that's Clacton-on-Sea, a town with heart, history, and a surprising amount to offer. It's a place of contrasts: lively arcades, quiet nature reserves, historic theatres, and modern shopping. What stands out most is the community spirit, locals working together to keep Clacton vibrant. It's not perfect, but it's genuine and welcoming. If you want a destination with history, nature, fun, and real seaside charm, give Clacton a second look. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel inspiration like this. Let us know your Clacton memories in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on our next video. Remember, we upload once every 2 days, so hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. See you on our next video. Goodbye.